Hello everybody, it's Debra from Timeless Jewel by Debra. Today I've got a Thredup 15-piece box. This one is from Suwanee, Georgia, which is great. I usually get them from Mechanicsburg. So my cost of goods was $53.11. Let's see, this one I ordered October 5th. Let's see. Bead. Oh, you see what I see? All right. Well, I do tell you, they do pack very well. Spring one. Let's get rid of this. I was just going to say that my last box, which we'll be uploading very soon, was fantastic. It had a couple pieces of sterling, and it had some designer brand name items, so yay. So, let's see. I think we'll do this Coach one last, or maybe in the middle. I don't know. Let's see what we got. All right. Put that there. It's making me want to think. So, what I'm going to be doing is putting the prices in to the listing into the video, and if you are interested in any of the items, let me know. What I will do is send you a PayPal email address, so I would just need your email address, your username, your YouTube channel, and a description of the item and a timestamp. And also, the best thing to do is put which video it is as well. So, let's see. I'm going to pull everything out here. And let's hope for the best. So, if you guys like this kind of content, make sure that you let me know. I will be doing a ton more sales. It is really close to holiday giving time, and with shipping, prices have gone up, and with the time, it's going to take longer to get your items in the mail, which is too bad because, you know, there's sellers like us that ship out the same day that we get an order, and we have no control over that. So I just want to let you know that if you see something, let me know so I can get it into the mail for you. All right. Before we go through it, let's see. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15. Okay. 15 pieces. Where to start? Alrighty. So, where to start? Okay. I have never heard of this brand before. Chandelier. New elegant bar something. Oh, those are pretty. Oh, I know what these are. These are for, they're called gauges. They go into the earlobe. So have you seen those people that have the large holes in their ears instead of the tiny, like, pierced earrings? This is what they are. They're gauges, stainless steel, and they are blue string. Interesting. I have never received any jewelry like this. Okay, so it's 3 inches. They're different. So I will definitely need to look that up. I have never heard of that before. At least that brand. All right, so next we have a silver tone bracelet. Hinged. No maker's mark. It's pretty. It's adjustable, but as it sits, there we go. Silver tone. That's pretty. All right. Oh, this is so cute. Alex and Annie. Mickey Mouse pin, and it says, "It all started with a mouse," and it's in really good condition except for here. It looks like there's sticker residue. Very pretty. 2018, and it's got the little charms. Super cute. Oh, I like that. All right. Let's just go with S and D. Okay, it's Stella and Dot. It is called a Roman Chandelier, and the color is mauve. So it says, let's see here. Pretty. That is definitely not a mauve color, but it is really pretty. Oh, I love that. Let's check it with Precision. Let's check this stone here. It registers at glass. Super pretty. Silver tone. Beautiful chain. Let me get you a measurement on that. Stella Dot makes some really pretty pieces. Okay, so it's 18 inches. Stella and Dot. Well, that's pretty and perfect for gift giving. All right, so we will start over here on this row. Madewell, sterling silver post earrings. New on the card. Go ahead and check those. Make sure. First, I'm going to do the scratch of the hoop. That looks like it's definitely not sterling. I'll check that because you can see on this one that there is more color. It looks more red. So what I'm going to do is take my acid and we'll give it a second here. All right, so it is true. The post is blue. And the other one must be plated because it's still blue, but you can see the undertones there. So they are sterling silver post Madewell earrings. Cute. New on the card. There is a little bit of wear on these. Pretty. All right. And then next we have a pair of hammered gold tone earrings with silver. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know this mark. Here, I'm going to show you guys this mark. See if you can see that. If anyone knows what that is, could you leave a comment, please? That way I learn and it'll help somebody else. So, yes. But they are very pretty. All right. Then we got a pair of peachy bead earrings. I can tell offhand these are already bauble bar. Yes, it does say bauble bar there. Very pretty. They are 2.5 inches. Super cute. And all of the beads are there. And it's peach. It's a light peach color. All right, next we've got, oh, this is pretty. It is brand new with tags. J. Jill. It was originally $59. Gorgeous. Oh, look at that. It looks like marcasite beads. And then beads here. They feel like glass, but since I have Pressy, we will check these. Very pretty. All right, let's check it and see what it says. It's glass. Okay. Very pretty. Goes one strand here into 3. Oh, very beautiful. I love that moss or mauve color. And this one's silver. And these are marcasite colors or hematite colors, Aurora Borealis, and silver. Very pretty. Brand new with the tag. That would make a great gift too. So that's 20 inches. Very pretty. All right, next we'll go with, this looks like a J. Crew. Wow, is that pretty? Okay. Tortoise shell. And these are a peach right here. These are more smoky quartz. These are clear. And these are more of a, excuse me, a muted yellow. Very pretty. There is wear on the chain here, but where it hits the back of the neck. And this is locked, and Taylor locked. Very pretty for this fall and winter. It is 16 inches. Wow, that's really pretty. All right. Then we've got a long silver tone. It's not a belt. It should be a necklace. Oh, there is a little hang tag. It's Premier Design. I don't know if you can see that. Premier Design. And let's get this measurement for you. It is 32 inches, so it's definitely a necklace. Very pretty. Okay, next we've got it looks like a dyed howlite. It feels like a very heavy plastic. There is no maker's mark. It's cute. Let's see what size. As it sits, it is a 7 and it can stretch. There is a tiny bit of wear here. Pretty. All right, next is, these feel like a very light metal. Gold tone hoops. Oh, I like that with the texture. Let's get a measurement for those. The hoop is 2 1/4 inches. Cute. All right. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh my goodness. I hope this color can really come through. This is like a beach, like the ocean, Bora Bora, somewhere I'd love to go. Beautiful hoop. They're guests, new on the card. They're 2 inches, silver tone. They were originally $25. Oh, wow. Very pretty. And it looks like all of the stones are there. Pretty. And not very heavyweight. Oh, look at this. Wow. This ring is screaming Art Deco. It is a size US 7. Silver tone. I can tell it's costume. There is blue enamel and crystal clear glass stones. And the center one has more of a milky color to it. Look at that setting. Now, if this were a real Art Deco ring, this would be open, so you could see the gemstones and the sides. Oh, beautiful. It's blue enamel. Wow. Look at that beauty. Oh, I love Art Deco designs. I think I was born in the wrong era. Beautiful. Next, we've got a heavy gold tone necklace. No maker's mark. Really super cute heart. Right there. Closure. Don't see any markings. Very heavy weight. Chainmail, gold tone. There is minor wear to it. Very pretty. This will definitely be a choker. It looks like it's 16 inches. Let's check. The smallest one is actually 14 inches. And the total to the bottom would be 22 inches. Very pretty. Okay, now let's see what's in here. Coach box. There was the original stick. Oh, wow, pretty. This is a gold tone, a silver tone, and like a copper tone bangle set. Okay, pretty. Let's see how they are for wear. All right, there is some wear on here. You can see down here it says Thailand or Coach. It says Coach right there. Coach. And here it says Thailand. Very pretty. Let's see, shine it up a little bit and see if it's totally discolored. It does have some wear here. Very pretty. Okay, and that's the gold tone. Silver tone. That one, you can see the Coach better right there. Very pretty. This one looks in much better condition. And the copper tone. You can also see it's marked Coach right there. And this one's in good condition as well. Some wear right here. Very pretty. Okay, all in all, I like this. I didn't get any sterling really. I mean, these have sterling posts. But all in all, it is a very good little box. And I learned new items today with these. So what I'll do is put the prices in the video. And if you guys are interested, I ship worldwide. US is $5 under a pound. And make sure that you guys are buying early this year with all the stuff going on with the shipping times. So let me know, and I will send you a PayPal email or a PayPal invoice. So email me at timelessjewelbydebra@gmail.com. Let me know what your favorite piece is. I would have to say the Coach and the Mickey. That's super sweet. So you guys have a great day. Thank you. Bye.